Welcome back to the channel. We are pleased to present a collection of 10 distinct gray sofas that will enhance the aesthetic of your living room. You will discover a gray sofa that will serve as an inspiration for your forthcoming home renovation, regardless of whether your aesthetic is contemporary, conventional, or somewhere in between. Let us begin with this ultramodern sectional. It is the ideal focal point for a minimalist or contemporary living room due to its streamlined fabric and clear lines. Combine it with metal details and black accents to achieve an industrial stylish aesthetic. Subsequently, we have this exquisite gray velvet sofa. The curved armrests provide a cozy sensation, while the soft texture adds a hint of elegance. Pair this sofa with warm tones, wooden accents, and colorful scatter pillows to create a bohemian-inspired space. Comfort is paramount for families. This gray settee is expansive, providing ample space for relaxation, movie evenings, and all other activities. Ideal for households with children or pets, the fabric is both durable and effortless to clean. This sofa is ideal for individuals who appreciate minimalist design. The neutral gray hue seamlessly integrates into a soft, neutral palette, while the slender legs and basic form maintain a light and airy appearance. Nothing conveys the essence of timeless elegance quite like a Chesterfield. This gray tufted sofa lends a sense of classic elegance to any traditional living room. Incorporate vintage artwork and brass accents to finalize the aesthetic. Fans of mid-century modernism, this one is for you. The ideal combination of style and comfort is achieved by this gray sofa, which features tapered wooden legs and a straightforward design. Combine it with geometric rugs and a vintage coffee table to achieve the iconic mid-century aesthetic. Consider this gray sectional with a chaise for a contemporary farmhouse aesthetic. Its rustic decor, comforting blankets, and natural wood tones are perfectly complemented by its casual, comfortable ambiance, ideal for establishing a warm and inviting atmosphere. This gray love seat is an excellent choice for those who are space constrained. It is the perfect choice for small residences or cozy spaces, as it is both sleek and fashionable without occupying an excessive amount of space. And finally, we have this modular sofa that is both functional and adaptable. It is an ideal choice for expansive, open-plan living areas due to its customizable sections and sleek lines. You are free to arrange it in any manner you desire, whether you are entertaining guests or enjoying a leisurely evening at home. There is a gray sofa that can add sophistication, style, and comfort to your home, regardless of the size of your living room or your taste. Which one was your preferred choice? Please inform us in the remarks section. Remember to subscribe for additional home decor inspiration and advice.